Hey y'all, PiecesofNika is back, and in today's video we're going to be making popcorn balls, and this is going to be the most quickest, easiest recipe you will find without using marshmallows. So you want to melt half a stick of butter, and then we're going to pour in 1 cup of sugar, and then you're going to put in half a cup of Karo syrup. And you want to make sure you get all that out. So I'm going to get a spoon and get all that out of there. And then you want to add in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And you want to stir all that up. So stir it till it gets all melted. And while that's doing that, you want to pop your popcorn. This is kettle corn. You can use whatever popcorn you want. So pop that. And you just want to keep stirring this mixture until it's all melted down. And then you're going to let it come to a boil for at least 2 minutes. Once that comes to the boil, we're going to pour it over top of our popcorn and form our balls. Just keep stirring this. So now when it gets like this, you're just going to turn off the heat and your popcorn should be done popping. So we're going to go ahead and put our popcorn in the bowl and pour this mixture over top and form the balls. Alright, so I was going to do it in this bowl, but it's kind of small, so I'm going to transfer it to this bigger bowl so you can stir it better. So we're going to do that. Make sure you get a bigger bowl. This bowl is actually too small for you to stir it properly. So we're just going to pour that in there. By transferring it this way, you get to, pull out all the popcorn and just leave whatever leftover kernels would have been at the bottom of this bowl. So transferring it from one bowl to the other is helpful for that, so you won't be chewing on these in your popcorn balls. So here we go. We're going to pour the mixture over top of the popcorn now. And then you want to stir all of this together really well. Once you make sure you get everything covered, now you want to start forming your balls. And we're going to place them on this rack that I covered in saran wrap. Once they cool, then you can put them in individual wrappers, saran wrap wrappers. So let's go ahead and do that. Make them a little small. You can make them as small or big as you want. Press kind of firm. If it acts like it doesn't want to stick together, press it kind of hard. So let's stick together like that. Because it's going to have to cool as it sits. Right now it's not hot, but it's still trying to cool down. So it feels a little hot to the touch, but not enough to give you 3rd-degree burns. Ooh, now that's hot. Alright y'all, and here are the popcorn balls. Don't they look so good? You can use marshmallows if you want, but I just chose not to do it with marshmallows. This is just the easiest recipe, and you can add whatever you want though. You can do marshmallows, candy, gummy bears, sprinkles, chocolate, nuts, whatever you want to add. You can even sprinkle something on top of these if you want to, like some chocolate or something, some glaze. You can melt white chocolate down and drizzle it over top, but I'm just gonna leave them just like this. And they feel kind of firm to the touch. They're still kind of soft, as you can see, and you can even peel off a piece. And yeah, if you ever wondered how to make popcorn balls, you guys, this is how you do it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. See you in my next video. Bye.